Okay, so we're finally inside the airport. That's my dad. We had to wait like ages in the line. So my mom's busy getting money right now at the ATM. And then now we're gonna go find the airport shuttle to go to our hotel. Okay, so we just checked into the hotel. It's a bit gloomy, it's a bit raining. Yes, that way. And we're making our way to Tsukiji, our market. 12 minutes. What do you think of Japan so far, Dad?
Good.
Good? Okay. Right now we're being sidetracked by this camera store. My dad's fascinated by this micro SD card.
So that's 330, that's $3, right?
Three. Okay. And my sister and my mom went to go eat because they're hungry. Okay, my Japanese isn't good, but I think that says udon restaurant. My sister loves that. Nope, never mind. Oh, yum. And she's slurping.
You're gonna eat.
We get 10.
You're gonna eat. So.
Okay, I see a lot more people now. So I think we're getting close. Tsukiji market. Wait, whoops. I think we're literally here. Doesn't that say Tsukiji? Okay, so me and my sister are gonna go to the tourist information because I really hope there's a stamp there. Hi. Thank you. Are you content with your stamp? I still can't believe when she said that it's only 30% busy. Parents got the 200 yen tamagoyaki. 350.
Yeah.
Oh, what? What?
Inside.
I would like some, please. Okay, honestly, I tried looking at the map, but I was like, it's too confusing. So, what did you say, Dad?
Mr. Miyagi.
Hey, that's. Very tender.
It's very easy to
That makes sense.
I think that's the best food I've had in my life. Now we're just chilling in the shade. And I wanted to go get matcha at this place called Kosyuen, but beware. On a Wednesday, it's closed. So we'll probably head back to the hotel and just relax. And then probably go to all the big flagship stores in Ginza at night and shop. Okay, bye. Huh? Look, she really wants you to buy it.
You try?
Now, we're going to this knife shop. Oh, everyone's at the knife shop. I'm going to go to this shop. I think it's a tea shop. It's not a tea shop. This is for more samples, orange, yuzu, and then fig. A black sesame cashew. Sencha. Andrew, I want to get this. It's over here.
Oh, yeah.
It's
I know.
$5, which I think is quite reasonable because it's bamboo wood. Ooh. Okay. I'll grab one of those. Yeah, but that's it's $30. And it'd be a bit heavy to bring home.
Oh, matcha.
Smells good.
Thank you. Now we are out of Tsukiji fish market. We still can't check into our hotel yet, so we're gonna kill some time in the main Ginza area. So I just set my location on my watch to Uniqlo. It's maybe about a 15-minute walk, but it's okay. We're gonna burn off all the calories that we ate at the fish market. We're close to Uniqlo. We are on the main strip. I also really want to go to Goo as well over there. Okay, so my checklist is to go to Donkey, Goo, Victoria, Uniqlo. That's it. Maybe other stores. I don't know. My mom's in awe of how big the shop is. That's a really big Uniqlo. Uniqlo. Wow. What an entrance.
Because I don't have
Special floor. I don't think it's magnetic. It's very, very crowded here. I like these cakes. I have really fun. I think this looks cute. I'll try this.
Maybe just send me to it? No.
Okay, sidetracked. I'm setting up my sister's sim and we're gonna actually go to Goo first and then Uniqlo because maybe the clothes is better there and I'll spend more. We're finally done, but I just realized I recorded everything in slow motion, so I have to speed it up. So a 10-second video just became like 2 minutes. I get the lemon tea. Yeah, hot lemon tea. Can you believe that they literally have a section, plastic maybe, but the tea's like hot. I need lemon to soothe my throat. I'm gonna get that. The hot, apparently the chicken here.
Try the karaage. This one.
That's fried chicken with salted potato flavor. I thought it's hot. I'm really excited to try it, but I think it might be like, it's not gonna be sweet probably. You know, it's like honey.
Oh, you got the other one.
No, I got this one. Mom got this fiber drink that it's all like that. We got this onigiri. This one.
And this.
Spring. Total.
Yeah.
Water. Bottle water.
No, I'm not.
You can try it now. I want to drink this. What are you gonna try first?
I'm gonna try. Wait, are they all the same?
I got the Hokkaido salmon one.
Oh, okay. I got the chicken one.
What do you say before eating a Japanese meal?
Eat
Ooh.
it.
Try it.
Let's go now.
How old is he? First bite for you.
It's a bomb. Is this the salmon one? I can't tell. We all got the salmon one, right?
No.
It says
Okay, then this one's the salmon
kara
one.
is karage.
This muscat squash drink. I like grapes. So. Oh. Oh my days, I'm so weak.
Now it is like 6 p.m. now. We had a bit of a rest in the hotel room. We're gonna go back to Ginza and hopefully look at more stores and go back to Uniqlo because we forgot to do that. Or maybe we'll eat first actually. What do you want to eat? Huh? Okay, we're circling back then. Let's see. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get the chicken and pickles meal.
Huh?
It's just chicken, salad, miso soup, and rice. So the ordering got a bit funky, but I sent mine in like a minute through and it's already here. I got the chicken and pickles meal. I don't know where my pickles are. Whatever. Anyway, I got this.
Need some dressing this.
So we're at the main strip of Ginza again, and that means that because it's night and there's so many lights, I have to put this little filter on. It's well, I think that's the wrong way. Yes, I did. Suzuran Streets. Oh, this is the change room. They meant to go downstairs. She's just asking where's like the main selection of shoes to see.
Do you need Mexico 66?
Yeah.
Sorry, not here. This store in special collection.
Okay.
Oh.
Not classic.
Yeah.
I'm going back to Uniqlo again. It's like Uniqlo's waiting for us. It's right here. Uniqlo. 3 floors of repeating stuff. I finally reached floor 6 and heat tech heaven. I've actually been looking for these. I literally couldn't find it. Wait, it's the collapse thing. It's like when they collab with Snoopy and then Hello Kitty. Apple Center. I think I'm getting this one. I'm supposed to be very last floor. People. It's a cafe. It's pretty much this. Not really anything. I guess we're trekking back down. 12 floors. We're supposed to close at 9 and I'm still at the store and it's overdue. Okay, we're paying now and then we're gonna go and probably just go back to the hotel. It's very late. Now we're checking out Buddha Ramen for some reason. We're going in to get the cards, transportation cards. 9 p.m. ice cream. This is what I got.
I'll be trying this.
Look.
Oh, it smells milky. You know what this tastes like? It tastes like ice cream, but squishy ice cream.
Great. Tastes nice. Back in the hotel room now and we're gonna do a haul. My sister's right now, she's brushing her teeth. So we'll just wait for her while she does that.